Is that your stick? Rocking horse. Why don't you go down the slide? You show Mommy how you can climb up your slide? Jackson. Can you show Mommy how you climb up your slide? Watch the curb. Jackson, come over here, please. Just started going off curbs all by himself. Jackson. Oh, fall down. That was not a pretty one.